This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning. Today we have the first day of Green Energy Fair. It's going to be today and tomorrow. It's at the Arena Zagreb. Over here. Entrance is over there, I think. Yeah, so they already started. I'm going to join them. I have to bring Isabel with me. Yeah, all right. Let's get cracking. Okay, Isabel, bye. Okay, here we have Huawei Fusion Solar. I have that sheet in Chengdao. It's a really slow app, but okay, whatever. It's probably good anyway. And then here, let me see. Is that an electric something? I was about to say excavator, but it's not. There's some battery stuff going on. So they have a little bit of show stuff outside here. I guess I'll go into the press. And in the entry area, we have some food here being prepared. Yeah, I just learned that this is free entry. I thought we need a ticket. Okay. I guess they have enough sponsors. Voila. So it's not a pure car show. I think it's more like, well, like the car. I mean, the name says, you know, it's about green energy. It might be some solar, some chargers, some cars. So I'll find EV clinic. They should be located somewhere in the center here. There's some program. I didn't get any information about what to do today, where to show up, when to show up, anything like that. So I'll figure out. There's probably lots of stuff to see here. See here, some solar. Looks nice. How is Isabel doing? She said she was tired. Yo, what's up, little princess? Oh, I see they have Kempower here, one of the Kempower satellites here. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's here. It's along with electronic. BYD is over here. Okay, I need to make a walk around. Oh, they have Renault 4 and some stuff. Okay, there's some cars for display. I could check it out, even though I've seen it before. All right, let's see. Yeah, solar. Actually, lots of solar here. Chargers, mainly solar and chargers. They have another hall, or this is the main and only hall. Where the heck is EV Clinic located? Soltech, Siemens. They said they're going to be in the center somewhere. Maybe there's another center. Metron is over there. See, Metron, yes. The guy from Slovenia, they're there. Okay, I've been shooting some video around here. I'm gonna promote the event since the organizers, they paid for the ticket to come here. But guess who I see?
Hi everybody! Yeah. Finally, I meet Bjorn again. It's so many years.
Yeah, the legends meet again.
Oh wow!
In Zagreb.
It's so amazing. We have to meet not in Oslo but in Zagreb.
Yeah. So Nasir, it's Elbil. Well, it was a Bilexperten Bosch.
Yes, I sold the company, and then I, of course, as you know, I was working with quite some time with EV Hub. Developed some special tools, and soon it will be news for you guy on your old Tesla X. We will do a test, and you will see what we have developed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah, see you around.
See you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right, I'm uploading the video now. Wow, it's gonna take another 49 minutes. Yeah, I'm just on some 4G here or something. Okay, whatever, it's gonna take some time. Isabel is a bit hungry. We'll find some food, let the phone stay here on the EV Clinic booth. Actually, we're sharing booth with Avilo here. So, yeah, we have people from Avilo also, that's pretty cool. But yeah, so I'll just show you, Isabel. Show you here that A, B, C, D. Always bring spare diapers. The stuff I bring here with me. Because Isabel is also here, just so we can get the work done. Because I think there's some lots of interesting videos I'm going to shoot here today, and possibly tomorrow also. But I'll try to get everything nailed down today. It's now 4 in the afternoon. I'm done for today. This was quite busy day. I shot some videos of, well, first the walk around, and then about the EV clinic stuff, very important, very interesting stuff at least. And also in a cooperation with SKF. And also there were some cars, I did some first impression, yeah. And then I'm coming back tomorrow for and then I'm going on stage. But yeah, long day, at least today. Tomorrow is not going to be that long in terms of coming here. I'll probably come a little bit later, actually a lot later in the afternoon, just about 1 hour before I go on stage. So yeah, now, well, about an hour ago, I think, Isabel fell asleep. Oh, the little princess there. Oh, yeah, she fell asleep. She's long day for her. I tried to keep her entertained and all that. So she just needs her afternoon nap. Totally understandable. She's been running around a bit. So okay, now I'm gonna get over to the hotel where wifey and and Axel has been staying there. So I got also some tip about going to this national park. They say that if you come to Croatia, that national park is the must-have place to go to. Okay, so the Model S has been sitting there. Wait, if I'm gonna travel, I need to get it charged up somewhere. Yeah, or maybe they have supercharge somewhere. Because charging over here is kind of expensive. We're talking about 1.1 euro per kilowatt hour. Okay, now let's get over there to the hotel. Holy macaroni. I'm stuck now in the Zagreb style. It's just 4.6 kilometers to the hotel, but it will take 26 minutes. What the heck, man? It's a little bit past 4 in the afternoon, and traffic is really bad. Tomorrow we're gonna check out from that hotel. I think from now on I will stay somewhere else. For some reason I prefer staying close to airports on various cities I stay at. For example, München or other places. And they usually have, where's the airport? Yeah, here. And I heard that a tip from Vanya that there's a quite new airport, quite new hotel near the airport. Pullman is usually quite good. And it's close to some Rimats, I don't know what it is over there they have. Okay, let's see. Oh, man, I have to get back to and rejoin with the rest of the family, man. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna go back here, yeah. Shit. We're back in the room. We're gonna plan now to go eat somewhere. They finally cleaned the room. I requested... okay, shit. I requested them to clean the room this morning while we had breakfast. They didn't do that. And then wifey was here most of the day and they didn't clean. And then suddenly they clean, well, and then eventually wifey and Axel fell asleep. And 1 in the afternoon, they suddenly knock on the door and wanted to clean. What the heck, man? Okay, they did clean, take out the trash and all that. But they didn't clean this part. Why? This hotel is just so weird. Yeah, and I also ask about the charging and so on, and they say the charging stations are not available because there are fossil cars blocking the charging stations. And that's pretty much the hotel parking you see right there. It's a big freaking hotel with 20 parking spots only. And they are mostly just relying on the public parking all over the place. And I'm like, huh? Okay, I got the recommendation to go Pullman, whatever it was. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. But okay, I have a small problem now. This part here is vulnerable. It's the charger for the camcorder, and you see that it runs on 8.4 volt. So yeah, we cannot run it on some standard 7.5 volt, and also trying to charge it on 9 volt. Yeah, it's either those generic chargers you can find, they are even 7.5 or 9 volt. 9 volt is too high. But this connector here is bad. It wears out naturally. If I jiggle it a bit, let's see. If I just jiggle it around a bit, there, suddenly it charges. I need some tape
you know, always be carrying duct tape, A, B, C, D. Or I could ask, I asked Vanya. He's like, this is easy fix for them. Yeah, EV Clinic. They are the ninja in electronics, but maybe I just tape it, see how it goes. Yeah, and then it should work. Oh, okay. Yeah. Man, I went to reception. I was gonna ask if they have any tape. Waited there almost 10 minutes. They were just serving some other guys. Gave up. Okay, I have an idea how to do a quick fix and then maybe get a more permanent fix tomorrow at EV Clinic. Okay, it works now. You see, I use this thing. It's they call it häftemasse, the thing you stick pictures and whatever on the wall. So just use that instead. And now it's charging. And as long as nobody touches this, then we are fine, right? We just need to let it stay here for about an hour, and then I charge the other battery, and then we should actually have good enough. So I just have to do this as a quick fix until tomorrow, and then we go for more permanent fix. But the only concern I have is that the contact here might not be that great. I don't know how many of those strings should be attached to the each side, right? So is it making micro arc in here? However, it's quite low current we're talking about here, so hopefully it doesn't heat up, right?